Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at books and how we can use them as a persuasive text. They are designed to persuade you to change the way that you think or feel about something. So pretty quickly today we're going to watch two books. The first one is called My Teacher for President. I want you to think about how the author or what the author is trying to get you to do and how they're trying to get you to do it. Those are two questions you need to be thinking about as we watch this. So as it jumps around here we go.
My Teacher for President by Kay Winters. Illustrated by Denise Brunkus and read by Mrs. Dujardin. My Teacher for President. Dear Channel 39, I saw on TV that elections are coming. At school, we have been learning about the president's job. My teacher would be just right. Let me know what you think. My teacher loves white houses. When my teacher walks into a room, people pay attention. My teacher goes to lots of meetings. And she's always signing important papers. My teacher acts quickly when there's an emergency. And she says health care is important. My teacher likes to go on trips. She deals with the media every day. My teacher would be good for the country. She wants to clean up the earth. She finds jobs for people. She is a good listener. She believes in peace. My teacher would make a great president. Love, Oliver. P.S. Just make sure she doesn't leave before the end of the year. The end.
Okay, so what is the author trying to persuade you to do? And how did she do it? Well, they're trying to get you to think that their teacher would be the best candidate for president. They give you all kinds of reasons and proof of why they think that. And at the end of the text, you get to decide whether you think that that teacher would be a good president or not. So today, on your own, you are going to do handout 12, and you are going to listen to the story, I Wanna Iguana. This is a story about a little boy convincing his mom. They write letters back and forth to convince his mom that he needs a pet iguana. So go ahead and have that handout handy. You may be able to answer it as you go along. If not, you can go back and watch it again. Oops. There we go.
I Wanna Iguana by Karen Kaufman Orloff. Illustrated by David Ketro. Genre: realistic fiction tells a made-up story that could really happen. Read this story to find out if Alex can persuade his mom to let him have an iguana. Question of the week. How do you know if a solution is a good solution? Dear Mom, I know you don't think I should have Mikey Gulligan's baby iguana when he moves, but here's why I should. If I don't take it, he goes to Stinky, and Stinky's dog Lurch will eat it. You don't want that to happen, do you? Signed, your sensitive son, Alex. Dear Alex, I'm glad you're so compassionate, but I doubt that Stinky's mother will let Lurch get into the iguana's cage. Nice try, though. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, did you know that iguanas are really quiet and they're cute, too? I think they are much cuter than hamsters. Love, your adorable son, Alex. Dear Alex, tarantulas are quiet too, but I wouldn't want one as a pet. By the way, that iguana of Mikey's is uglier than Godzilla. Just thought I'd mention it. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, you would never even have to see the iguana. I'll keep his cage in my room on the dresser next to my soccer trophies. Plus, he's so small, I bet you'll never even know he's there. Love and a zillion and one kisses. Alex. Dear Alex, iguanas can grow to be over 6 feet long. You won't have enough space in your whole room, much less on your dresser, with or without your trophies. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, it takes 15 years for an iguana to get that big. Mikey told me. I'll be married by then and probably living in my own house. Love, your smart and mature kid, Alex. Dear Alex, how are you going to get a girl to marry you when you own a 6-foot-long reptile? Love, your concerned mother. Dear Mom, forget the girl. I need a new friend now. This iguana can be the brother I've always wanted. Love, your lonely child, Alex. Dear Alex, you have a brother. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, I know I have a brother, but he's just a baby. What fun is that? If I had an iguana, I could teach it tricks and things. Ethan doesn't do tricks. He just burps. Love, grossed out, Alex. Dear Alex, how do I know you're ready for a pet? Remember what happened when you took home the class fish? Love, Mom. Dear Mom, if I knew the fish was going to jump into the spaghetti sauce, I never would have taken the cover off the jar. Love, your son who has learned his lesson. P.S. Iguanas don't like spaghetti. Dear Alex, let's say I let you have the iguana on a trial basis. What exactly would you do to take care of it? Love, Mom. Dear Mom, I would feed him every day. He eats lettuce. And I would make sure he had enough water. And I would clean his cage when it got messy. Love, responsible, Alex. P.S. What's a trial basis? Dear Alex, a trial basis means Dad and I see how well you take care of him for a week or two before we decide if you can have him forever. Remember, Stinky and Lurch are waiting. Love, Mom. P.S. If you clean his cage as well as you clean your room, you're in trouble. Dear Mom, I'll really try to clean my room and the iguana's cage. Also, listen to this. I'll pay for the lettuce with my allowance. I mean, how much can one baby iguana eat anyway? Love, Alex the Financial Wizard. Are you sure you want to do this, Alex? Yes, Mom. I want an iguana, please. Dear Alex, look on your dresser. Love, Mom. Yes! Thank you! Thank you!
So here we had a super cute story of him trying to explain to his mom why he thought he needed an iguana. It's your turn to fill out the answers on handout 12. After you've read the story, you may have to read it a couple times to get all your answers. If you need any help, please make sure you ask your teacher. Put your name on it, turn it in, and also make sure that you get all your work turned in for the week. If you have any other things that you haven't done, reach out to your teacher. Be sure to get that all turned in next week. And we will see you again next time. Love and miss you guys. Bye.